In this video we explain which labeling processes are possible with the graphic tool. On the main page you can see all possible labeling processes. There is digital printing, laser engraving, label printing, or you enter the tool with a neutral axis at the bottom right. With the neutral entry, you can decide later which labeling process you prefer. Especially for users who are working with the graphic tool for the first time, we recommend using the neutral axis at the bottom right. If you select the digital printing button, only the items that can be printed using digital printing are displayed. The same applies to the laser engraving. As soon as you click on the Start Laser Printing button, a pre-filtering process is carried out, which then displays only the possible laser engraving products. Pre-filtering is also carried out for label printing after pressing the Start Label Printing button. If you scroll further down, you can see that we are already registered and logged in. Without registration, you have to register for a JUNG account. At the bottom of the page, you can read about the different processes and the advantages of printing. The texts are the ideal preparation for deciding on the right labeling process for your project. The topic 2 procedures, high quality products, explains pad printing and color printing. Further down is an explanation of how laser engraving can be used to enhance surfaces. If you scroll down, you find information how devices can be customized with inscription fields.